Hello, bonjour, I'm Cécile, and today I want to show you how to make botanical print with a gel plate. And if you have never used a gel plate before, don't worry, because I've got you covered in my new course, Gel Plate Exploration. This is an excerpt of the course. This is one of the lessons, so you can see how I teach and take the course after that. I've made that beginner friendly. All you need is a gel plate, a brayer, some paint, and a leaf or two. Welcome to the module about botanical prints. There are several ways to do that. Let me show you the first one, and I will use magenta, ultramarine, prisma violet, and orange fluo, because why not? And I'm lucky, I have a garden. So I've been picking some weeds, some raspberry leaves, I thought I had strawberry leaves as well, yeah. And let's begin with maybe this is a passion fruit. It's climbing everywhere in my garden, so I will apply a layer and a thin layer of purple. This will be my darkest color. I want to begin with this one. I have a pair of scissors because it's too large. Of course, you don't want to use, let's say, a grapefruit here. That would be a bit too much, but you can use things like that. Grab a paper and press. And the idea is to go with your fingers around the stems and the leaves. Everything you can feel under your paper. The more you get closer to the stem and the leaves, the more detailed it will be. Don't forget the edges, the corners. So let's see that. This is good. Look at that. What a gorgeous first layer. Apply another layer with different leaves, maybe strawberries, and it's better if you place them this way. Oh, I took only one strawberry leaves. Maybe this would be cool. It's a bit eaten by bugs. And your the plate is a bit sticky, so if you apply the leaves very properly like that, it should stick a bit. Okay. I think that could be good. Right. Now that I have seen that, I can apply a second layer. Let's say magenta. Sorry, wasn't me. It's a very thin layer. I want it to be transparent because I want to be able to see what's under. And I have a bit of yellow coming out from another pool. This is here. I'm okay with it. Just embrace it. I want to be especially around the stems. If I want a sharp print, I said there was a bug. It's a baby spider. If this kind of playful layering makes you want more, you'll probably love the course Gel Plate Exploration. It has more than 30 bite-sized videos with all the techniques you need to know how to master gel printing. I link that in the description below. Oh, yeah. Look at that. And having a transparent paint is really great. I will add a third layer. I think this yellowish, some other leaves. Let's place some weeds. This is very, very light. So my paper is really wrinkled now. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. This is perfect. I love that. Let's do that. Just a tiny bit of magenta using my Brayer that is a bit orangey, a bit yellow. This is to get rid of the white. So I need a transparent, very thin layer. This will make the white pink and enhance the existing pink. So this is supposed to be a transparent color. This is why I can do that. If you are using an opaque color, it won't be the same. So this is important to know your paint. I prefer that. You know, it's more subtle, it's more muted. Oh, I love it. Here you are, your botanical print is ready. And if yours is different, that's okay. This is the beauty of gel printing. You never know what you will get. This was just one of over 30 videos in the course Gel Plate Exploration. This is meant for beginner. This is step-by-step lessons, all the basics you need from using stencils, masks, stamps, found object, creating grunge texture, transferring magazine image, transferring photo images, and making different projects so you can summarize all that you've learned in the course. I link that in the description below and I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye. Au revoir.